Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to back up your bookmarks in Google Chrome. Backing up your bookmarks ensures you don't lose your favorite websites if you switch devices, reinstall Chrome, or reset your browser. It's quick, easy, and gives you peace of mind knowing your data is safe. Let's get started. The first step is to open Google Chrome browser. In the top right corner, click the three dots. Select Bookmarks, then click Bookmark Manager. In the Bookmark Manager, click the small three-dot menu at the top right, then select Export. Give your backup file a name. Optionally add tags, choose a saved location like Downloads, then click Save. Open Finder, go to the folder where you saved the file. You should see an HTML file with all your bookmarks. You can open it to view your saved links. That sets it. You successfully backed up your Google Chrome bookmarks. Good luck and see you in the next tutorial.